Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mycelium Bitcoin wallet step by step. Open the Mycelium app, tap to create a new wallet, and follow prompts to generate your seed phrase, which you must write down exactly. Store the seed offline and set a strong PIN. Consider enabling hardware wallet support for extra safety. Keep your phone updated and never share private keys or seed phrases with anyone. To send Bitcoin, open the wallet and tap Send, then scan or paste the recipient address and double-check it visually. Enter the amount and pick a fee level that balances speed and cost. Review the full transaction details and confirm using your PIN or a connected hardware wallet. After sending, watch the network confirmations and save the transaction ID for reference. Always test small amounts when sending to new addresses. If this video has helped, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation: I use an Echo Dot to keep quiet notifications and handy timers while managing wallets. It really brings the space to life. Check the video description for the Echo Dot deal and other links if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To receive Bitcoin, tap Receive and present the displayed address or QR code to the sender, ensuring it matches any expected address. For recurring deposits, confirm that addresses align with your records. Always keep multiple offline backups of your seed phrase in different secure places to protect against loss or damage. Test your backups by restoring to a secondary device if possible, so you know your recovery process works before relying on it fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.